Ready?
Yeah, spicy.
Let's start. 45 minutes it is.
She likes lots of spice. I don't like too much spice. So that's fine.
One. Okay. Me? Don't be careful. Oh, your eye. Yes.
I'm not very good.
The fried pork, you want to slice the pork?
Just make sure you leave with as many fingers as you came with.
Well,
What are we doing, Bob?
oh, you want to cut it in half again?
Do I have to do that?
Okay. Yep, gotcha. Try not to get
What are you cooking there?
I have no idea. I think it's chicken.
What is she cooking?
Chicken coconut soup.
Chicken coconut soup.
Yeah.
Tom kha gai.
Yeah, don't have guys.
Say that again in English.
My start Amy. They request.
And what are you cooking?
And
Same?
it's green curry.
Thank you one.
Yes, thank you one. For the soup, how about? Yeah. Okay.
What are you doing, Denise? Cutting?
I was cutting, supervising my cutting. We were cutting, yeah.
Hungry, right?
And trying not to stress out the chef too much. Which I think is
Green curry with pork. Yeah, we put the pork.
That.
Okay, you taste? You taste? Thank you. What, too sour?
How does it taste?
It tastes too sweet and too sour.
Too sweet and too sour.
Yeah, you need a bit of chili. Sorry. A bit of a bite to it.
Is that what the guys in the salad?
You taste it the next time, Brian. See what you think.
They're so small. Very clever.
I have fingers, knuckles. You know.
Lemongrass.
Not the first time you've done this.
Tom yum, put lemongrass, vinegar, and then onion. Yeah, first. You can use the shallot also. Shallot, yeah, shallot. But because in Thailand when we make tom yum, we use shallot. But for the game, we cannot put I came. But similar, we can use.
Tastes better now?
Would you like some?
Later.
You want some?
Yeah, sure.
Try it, Lauren.
Like with the chili.
I'll eat everything. I eat my food all the time.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
It's not.
Sorry, I'm left-handed.
It's pretty good. It is pretty good. It's good. It's not too sweet also. Nice.
Chicken also nice for the tom kha. Boiler it's the moisturizer and then the flavor from the calm and you can put this one. And then blue is the not boiler. Wait until the boiler again we can put seasoning. Fish sauce.
Just looking at the competition.
When we put the meat inside before the boiler, right? And when we put the meat and then it come down, it's not
Simmer.
yeah, simmer. And then we wait until boiler again and we can seasoning.
That looks nice. That looks ready.
Salad.
Oh, do you want some again? No, he doesn't want some. Are you sure?
It's okay. I will have some when it's done.
We won't let you do, because then it's ours. Now what? You pull up the
Because if you're around the dip and you don't have crispy seam, you fail. Don't you, Dolly?
You like to eat duck? For me, if duck or chicken, I like the well done. For me,
Well done, yes,
well done.
yes.
But duck they can eat the rare and medium rare. But
You
and
you
they
well
can
done.
eat also. Yeah. But for me, also well done. Okay, if like this. Okay.
Yeah, I don't like.
Because the poultry, every poultry is so different for me. I don't know. But I say some people they like to eat it. Medium rare.
I don't like anything that's still moving on the plate. Yeah. They're not cooked up really.
And you had a good time? Cheers to you for such a great food. Awesome. Cheers. Maybe one of you can tell us what you actually cooked today? Would it be right? Please.
You've got to taste it and tell us.
Looks interesting. Yes, please.
Oh, I just tried. We've done a red duck curry,
Okay.
tom yum soup,
Tom yum with chicken, right?
yeah, with chicken, yeah, a salmon salad, and chicken and cashew stir fry.
And everything is not spicy, right?
Exactly.
Because you can't eat anything.
Except for the curry. That's too spicy.
It's too spicy.
It's too spicy.
Oh, okay. Let's try.
So we
What do you have done?
Potato salad,
Papaya salad, yeah.
Thai red salmon,
Okay.
green curry,
With
pork.
pork.
We have coconut soup.
That looks awesome. Give yourself one more round of applause. Awesome, well done.